The Charleston County School District is weighing the future of AI in classrooms. Officials are consulting with a national group of experts known as AI for Education. Tonight, the Committee of the Whole heard a presentation from the company as it helps to guide the district on policies and guidelines. Jessie Klinger attended tonight's meeting. She explains how AI could impact education in the school district. Jessie?
Bill, recently the district gathered a group of parents, students, teachers, and other stakeholders to help brainstorm ideas as well as concerns for how AI can be used in education. With the exponential growth of artificial intelligence over the last decade and its projected impact on the future job market, the district is looking to make sure students are prepared for the changing career landscape.
As we begin to develop the strategy for the professional use of it, AI is going to continue to evolve exponentially.
The Charleston County School District Board of Trustees heard from AI for Education about the future of artificial intelligence. Citing the World Economic Report from January of this year, by 2030, AI is expected to create 170 million new jobs, replace 92 million jobs, and transform 86% of businesses. LinkedIn also claims AI literacy is the #1 skill to list on a resume in the current job market.
We as educators and we as thought partners and leaders should begin to accept its opportunities while also developing guardrails that will protect its use.
When discussing how to bring AI literacy to CCSD, the presentation touched on common concerns such as academic integrity, cognitive offloading, bias, and misinformation. As it creates a draft policy for the district, the company will weigh how to best set up students for success, while also teaching students caution about data privacy, security, and overall digital well-being.
So that policy begins to inform and establish guardrails for our system to use, which will then be a part of the catalyst behind the strategy and the professional development.
Trustees voiced their own concerns and hesitations about AI and emphasized the importance for the district to take its time and to be very mindful and intentional with any policy and guidelines it adapts. In the meantime, parents who may have reservations about the use of AI are encouraged to become more familiar with different AI uses.
As the parents begin to explore the tools, they'll be more familiar with the tools that the students will begin to explore and use. So as their comfortability improves, then the student comfortability should improve. But as I tell all parents, get involved and be aware. Don't assume that quiet noise is good noise. In your home, pay attention to what your students are using, especially the amount of screen time that they're using, so that the appropriate use can help elevate their learning experience.
The first reading of an AI policy before the Board of Trustees will be on December 8th. The district hopes to begin training teachers and implementation during the next school year. Jessie Klinger, News 4.